Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this opportunity, let me introduce myself. My name is Fitra Marcella, SPD MED. I am from Syekh Wali University, especially in Faculty of Education and Teacher Training. In major is Guidance and Counseling. Today, I want to present my study. The little study is The Individuation Tendency, a descriptive study of college student. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this opportunity, I want to present the title study is The Individuation Tendency, a descriptive study of college student. There are 4 points in the overview I will explain. The first is introduction, the second is method, the third is result, and the last discussion and conclusion. Slide about background in the study. The phenomenon of demonstration and conflict between students that occur often and in the riots. In this situation, it is suspected that many individuals in their psychological states experience the individuation. The individuation tendency is the loss of individual self-identity because it has merged into the group, which is result in a lack self-awareness and self-control in individuals, so that sometimes it can result in individuals behaving deviantly from social norms. Problem statement in this study is how to describe the tendency of the individuation in Syekh Kuala University student. And the purpose in this study aims to describe the description of the individuation tendency in Syekh Kuala University. For more detail, this slide I will explain about what it is the individuation. The individuation is condition when a person's self-identity is lost because it has dissolved into group identity, so that there is less awareness and self-control of individual. In the individual, which is result in emergence of behavior that deviates from social norm individual. The individuation in this study is measured through 3 aspects. The first is group immersion, anonymity, and reduced identifiability. According Festinger, the individuation is a situation when individual lose self-awareness and lose evaluative understanding in the group situation that allow them to become animals and divert attention from themselves. For more detail aspect of the individuation, there are 3 points. The first is group immersion. Group immersion is individual meld into the group. Anonymity, a condition when a personal information of a person cannot be known. And the last, reduced identifiability, self-awareness and self-control are lost in the individual. This slide describes about research method. This research uses a quantitative approach. This research type in this study is descriptive research. Research location in Syekh Kuala University. The sample used in this study use simple random sampling technique. The total sample in this study was determined using the Slovin formula. Then the number of samples determined in this study was 390 people. The individuation scale used in this study is modified scale from Kosumo. This scale is prepared based on the aspect of the individuation proposed by Richard. Data analysis technique use quantitative descriptive analysis. In the slide, describe about result of the result. Description of the result subject. There are 5 faculty in Syahkuala University has a percentage of subject as much as the first Faculty of Engineering 24.1%, Faculty of Agricultural 15.4%, and Faculty of Teacher Training and Education 37.4%, and Faculty of Social and Political Studies 12.8%, and Faculty of Law 10.3%. And other description can be seen on this slide. Based on table and figure about description of the individuation general, it can be seen that the majority of Universitas Syahkuala students have a moderate level of the individuation, namely as many as 51% students. There are 90% students who have a high level of the individuation. Then 1% students who have a very high level of the individuation. And 31% students have a low level of the individuation. And finally, there are 8% students who have a very low level of the individuation. Description of the individuation based on aspect of group immersion. Based on the table, it can see that in the group immersion aspect, almost half of the students who have marked into group are the moderate category, namely 48% students in the high category, namely 18% student, and in the very high category, namely 3% student. The low category is 24% student, and the very low category is 7% student. Description of the individuation based on aspect of anonymity. Based on the table, it can see that the aspect of anonymity, almost half of the students are in the moderate category, namely 46% student. The high category, namely 23% student. The very high category, namely 5% student. The category low category, namely 17% student, and very low category 8% student. Description of the individuation based on reduced identifiability aspect. Based on the table, it can see that the last aspect, namely the reduced identifiability aspect, almost half of the students are in the low category, namely 41% student. The moderate category, namely 28% student. The very low category, namely 26% student. The high category is many as 5% student. The conclusion in this research, the individuation in this moderate category show the student tended to have the individuation behavior in certain situations, such as conflict situation between student group and during demonstration. Thanks so much for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.